A process can send signal to itself. A user can send a signal to a process. The process can send a signal to another process. When a signal is sent, then a process is expected to do something. What it is expected to do may be modified. What a process is supposed to do when it receives a signal, it is stored in interrupt vector. What is interrupt vector? There are many types of signals. They are given number from 1 to maybe 16 or so, I don't remember. Corresponding to every signal, what is to be done is written. And there is a command which can change what is to be done. Now, let us write a program. Siri print A, suppose initially A is 10, B is 20, C is 30, D is 40. E is 50. What will happen at time t equal to 10? 10 is now, here we are writing Siri further 10, and here we are writing print B. Here we are writing set B is equal to B plus 2. What a set statement does? Nothing. Set B equal to B plus 2 will not do anything. Let us see what is the advantage. Now, suppose we write here alarm. What alarm does? Alarm asks, send a signal to yourself after X unit time. Fine. Because of this, a signal will be going after 3 units time in between the sleep of this. So the value of B will become 22. So this print B will be printed as 22. Is it correct? Now, Suppose in place of 3 we write 30. Further sleep 10. And here it is print B. So at time t equal to 10, 10 is printed because of this print A. At time t equal to 20, B, which is 20, is printed because of this print B. But at time t equal to 30, at time 13 units time afterwards, when it was during sleep, a signal went which have changed the value of B to 22. So this B will be printed as 22. Is this concept of the signal is clear to you?
Yes, sir. अब सेट किस तरह काम करता है?
What is set? Set says if signal comes, then do whatever is written in the signal. Whatever is written in the set.
What type of signal? खाली आया.
For the typology, until now I have not talked about multiple type of signals. Then we shall give signal numbers to them. There are maybe 16 or 32 signals are there. We can say set 5, comma B equal to B plus 2. If signal number 5 comes, then do this setting. Is it correct? And maybe that the alarm signal is signal number 5. I have to check it. Is it correct? Okay, fine. If the things are clear to you, at present we are talking about only one signal. So, alarm will send a signal, and set means if signal comes, then you do B equal to B plus 2. It will not do B equal to B plus 2 in the beginning. It will not do. If signal comes, it will do B equal to B plus 2. Is it correct? Suppose we write here alarm 13 and here we write comma alarm 2. At time t equal to 13, here the value of B will be 22, and a further alarm will be made that for time t equal to 2. Because of this, again B equal to B plus 2 will be done. Is it correct? Again B equal to B plus 2 will be done. And so t equal to 15, B will be 24, 17, it will be 26 and 28, so 28 will be printed. Is it correct? Because a signal will be going at time t equal to 30 when it is on in this sleep. During the sleep, B equal to B plus 2 will be done. And a further alarm for time t equal to 2 will be kept. New alarm will be kept. Because of this, after 2 seconds, again this will be done. Is it correct? Yes.
Sir, activity T equals 23 days.
T equal to just under T equal to 20. Yes. About 10 units the time has already gone. 23, 25, 27. Is it correct? Now, suppose here we write set B equal to B into 5. Then sleep 10. Then print B. What will happen? T equal to 31. Because in the previous signal setting, alarms are going after time t equal to 2. So, t equal to 31. At time t equal to 29, an alarm was put. At time t equal to 29, an alarm was put. And at time, which will be coming at time t equal to 31. At time t equal to 30, we change the signal setting. Rather than doing b equal to b plus 2, it is doing b equal to b into 5. Because of this, what is happening? The value of b will be 280, but afterwards, there is no mechanism of putting another alarm in this. So further alarms will not be kept. Only one alarm will be kept. So at time t equal to 31, what will be done? 280, 140 will be 140. And here t will become equal to t will get time t equal to 40, 20, 30, 40, 140 will be. If the things are all right, we can always set the setting of a signal. Is it correct? Yes. We can always set that. Previous our interrupt vector was this. What interrupt vector stores? It stores when a signal comes and what is to be done. So this is what the set command does. Is it correct? In Unix environment, the set command is written like this. Signal. Set is written like a signal. Here we
नीचे वाला वो सेट को एक बार वापस
देखो इस सेट में हमने क्या किया? We have changed the signal setting. Our previous signal setting was for b equal to b into 5. Now the new signal setting is, our previous signal setting was b equal to b plus 2. Our new signal setting is for b equal to b into 5. And there is no further alarms which are getting kept into this. So what will happen? After getting one signal, at time t equal to 29, the alarm for time t equal to 2 is put. The 31 signal will go, but at time t equal to 30, signal setting has been changed.
तो पुराना वाला अलार्म और 2 वाला
वो खत्म हो गया. पुराने वाले से अलार्म खत्म नहीं हुआ. Alarm was sent at time t equal to 29. That alarm is an independent statement. That its effect will not be going. What will happen? At time t equal to 31, a signal will be going, and at time t equal to 30, we have changed the signal setting. Is correct?
Sir, from why 31?
You see, at time t equal to 29, what was done? At time t equal to 29, b equal to b plus 2 was done, and a alarm 2 was executed. So time t equal to 31, the signal will be going. And at time t equal to 30, after printing b, signal setting has been changed. Is it correct?